来看英国一间公司开发出模拟人体内部的机器，互灌出去的肝药脂等器官伫离开人体了后，可以当循环运作24点钟以上，会当来提悬器官移植的成功率。
这台叫做Metro体外循环系统，会使模仿药脂也是肝脏生存所需要生理环境。血液灌流提供养分抑个散素，维持摄氏37度的体温，互器官误以为也存在伫体内，继续运作超过1天。成功移植的这个机会会更加悬。
An organ is preserved much more appropriately when within its native environment. An organ can be test-driven on the device before a patient is ever called for a potential transplant. And that makes it possible to significantly increase the number of transplants taking place.
研发出这台机器的固定大厦衍生新创 OrganOx， 是为着改善这个传统移植器官提出了后，敢若用病12点钟，若无就会欠缺氧气、歹气、冻伤、衰败，无度移植的这危险。
That through use of this technology, the median waiting time for a transplant had gone from 85 days to 14. The mortality on the waiting list from 18% to 6%, and 75% of their patients could now expect to receive a liver transplant within a week.
30人的团队用15年的时间研发出来 Metro， 为真侪患者引发生命希望，也得到今年有工程界这个奥斯卡奖之称的麦克罗伯特奖的肯定。公视新闻，施会长编译。